Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your master file is truly high quality. Use a lossless or very high bitrate export so there is room to compress later. Once done, check resolution and aspect ratio to match your destination. Make sure it's 16:9 or the platform's native size. You also need the platform rules: container, codec, and max file size. This prevents surprises. Now export a properly labeled file. Include timecode burn or metadata for reference, and keep the original safe. You should export using the codec the platform prefers and encode with 2-pass variable bitrate to preserve detail while controlling file size. For 1080p, aim for roughly 10 to 25 Mbps. For 4K, push toward 35 to 80 Mbps depending on motion. Make sure the container matches use: MP4 for web streaming, MOV for archiving, and include AAC or PCM audio at 48K HC. Once the file is encoded, you should upload over a wired or very stable connection. Avoid mobile hotspots during big transfers. Once connected, choose Direct File Upload, and if the platform offers, select the highest quality or original file option so automated transcoding keeps more detail. After the upload completes, verify by watching both the lowest and highest playback qualities and checking for banding, macroblocking, or audio dropouts. If problems show, re-export with slightly higher bitrate or change encoder settings and re-upload. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.